Welcome to D&D Printing Company. We are a family-owned business located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We began our business in 1968, currently operating in our second generation of family ownership. You might say that the current owners of D&D Printing grew up with printing ink in their blood. It is a never-ending endeavor to stay abreast of the latest technology in our industry, but as you see our capabilities, I think you will agree that we have continued to succeed in this area. D&D actually stands for Don and Dick, brother-in-laws. Don Bardwell and Dick McCarty has now passed the ownership and leadership of the company to their sons. Mike Bardwell is now the president, and Rich McCarty heads up our sales efforts. We're located in downtown Grand Rapids, just minutes from US 131. We are at the corner of Market Avenue and Wealthy Street. Our building is next door to the Amtrak station and extends from Market Avenue to the end of the next block on A Avenue. Although we are located in downtown, we actually have customer parking right in front of the building. This seems to always be a challenge in downtown Grand Rapids. We have 5 offset printing presses and run 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. When necessary, we work weekends to meet the needs of our customers. We run color work all day long on our main presses. We can add thermography and glitter with our smaller presses, a necessity for one of our specialty products. All of our high-speed digital printing presses are Xerox, and we have a very long relationship with Xerox as one of the first printers in Grand Rapids to add the newer technology to our printing capability. Our newest digital printing press was added this past December and has given us additional flexibility in our digital printing and finishing capability. We also are a producer of banners, posters, and oversized prints. We use Epson for our wide format digital printing with a maximum width of 42 inches and as long as the material is available, usually 100 feet. D&D Printing Company presents our Slit Score Fold Longford Systems equipment. This equipment is specifically designed for the greeting card industry. The cards are fed through, a slit and score is cut partially through the cards. Then the cards are folded using the rail system. This equipment is very high speed, shown here at about half speed. At the delivery end, there's a batch counter, so we can accurately count cards as they are delivered to the end of the system. The batch counter will also separate in smaller packages based on count. The purpose of this equipment is to ensure that greeting cards and other cards that are slit and scored lay completely flat. Our company business cards demonstrate this process. D&D Printing Company presents our automated glue and fold equipment. This video is showing a greeting card that will have a computer-controlled glue pattern applied to the panel. That panel is then folded on top of the next panel and held into place by the belts. The cards are transferred to the delivery belt. The finished product is a die-cut greeting card with a double-thick panel formed by gluing 2 of the panels together. This equipment is very flexible. The computer control system, we're able to place the dots in any pattern that we would like. We're able to vary the distance between dots, the size of the dots. We can form pockets, and we can glue panels together as you see here. One of the things that sets us apart is our extensive bindery. We have die cutting, embossing, foil stamping, mounting, padding, stitching, trimming, gluing, laminating, and many other automated processes that are under our roof. And the videos that you've seen show just a couple of examples of the equipment that we have to accomplish this. Because of the extensive bindery, we are very competitive in a number of specialty products. These include greeting cards, which we have been heavily involved in producing since 1985. Presentation folders and boxes are especially convenient products for our die cutting, folding, and gluing equipment. Our high-speed collating stitching 3-knife trimmers allow us to quickly and professionally produce booklets. This just briefly touches on a few of the many automated bindery processes we're able to do. As a major printer, it has become necessary to also become an expert in providing mail services for the finished pieces. From wafer sealing, envelope inserting, sealing, inkjet addressing, or digital variable data printing for mailings, we can handle the entire project. We can print, fold, address, and deliver to the post office. So what does it mean to be in the printing industry for over 43 years to our customer. Well, although there are many new designs developed, they usually include producing using existing equipment. This means that over the last 43 years, we have probably seen some variation of what you have in mind, or maybe we have produced a product very similar to what you need. Experience only comes with many years of actually producing the product. Once we have agreed to a schedule, we make sure we keep one eye on producing quality while keeping the other eye on finishing on schedule. Many projects are time sensitive, and we make sure we meet those schedules. D&D Printing can provide you with high quality, competitively priced printing that arrives when you need it. Please let us help you with your next print project.